Okay, near the Earth's equator, there's a horizontal wire carrying current to the east. So we're going to say that the wire is just running across horizontally, and the current is going to the east. Again, current, this is like positive charge, so you need to think of this as using your right hand. So current I going this way. This is going to be your thumb, right thumb. So have your right thumb going east. The magnetic force acting on the wire, this is what you're trying to find. What is the magnetic force? Now, remember, force, this is supposed to be your middle finger, because that's the force, or the direction that something is going to be pushed. What is that going to be? So where is your middle finger pointing? So that only leaves the question of where is your index finger? Your index finger is supposed to be the magnetic field B. Index finger is B for magnetic field. We're supposed to figure that out based on the fact that we're near the Earth's equator, meaning the electric field lines are going, or not, the magnetic field lines are going north, magnetic north to south. So it's going, so right now we should be imagining north to south magnetic field lines. Like this. So these magnetic fields are supposed to be your index finger, your pointer finger. So thumb going to the right, index finger pointing north. That means your middle finger would poke outwards, out of the page. And so that's what the answer to that would be, is your middle finger is pointing out of the page. And that's going to be the force. And that's force. Index finger was B. These blue lines are B. And the thumb is the current I, going to the right. Where is the Earth's magnetic North Pole? That is basically what I was trying to say, is that the magnetic north is down here at geographic south. So when you're looking at a map, this is geographic south. So where is magnetic north? Down here at the south, so that's going to be Antarctica. Santa, this is geographic north. Japan's kind of in the middle, and Hawaii also roughly in the middle, in between, in this area. So those are wrong. Oh, number 5, I forgot to answer. If your middle finger is going out of the page, that's going up. Keep in mind, north is this direction, top of the page. South is bottom of the page. West is left on the page. East is right on the page. But out of the page is supposed to be up. This is out of the page. What causes magnetic fields? Stationary charges, again, charges don't have any effect unless they're moving. Neutrons, no effect at all. Protons could possibly have an effect and cause magnetic fields, but the only part is false. Moving charges, positive or negative. Copper wire by itself is not going to do anything. Okay. So let's use this is going to be electron, so use your left hand. Path of electron, your thumb is going to be going in this direction. So left thumb down on the page. B is your index finger. Here, I'll color code. That's going into page. So index pointing, point into the page, point at the page as if you're pointing to it. That means your middle finger should be going in this direction. Middle finger. And this is going to be the force going in that direction. Okay, so here, current, it's hard to see. This is it. Current is supposed to be going out of the page. This is supposed to be current going out of the page. This is supposed to be your, because it's I means positive, means use right hand rule. So this is your thumb out of page. B, this is your index finger going this direction to the left. So thumb, right thumb out, index to the left, middle finger has to be going in the down direction. This is going to be middle finger. And that's force. Down here, similar situation where you have current. This is positive current. So this can be your thumb going out of page. The dot, again, this dot means out of page. Thumb going out of page, and then they jump and give us F right away, which is going to the right. So this is right current, positive means right hand. So right thumb out of the page, and twist your hand so that your middle finger is going to the right. Which would mean that your index finger, if you're able to bend your wrist enough, is going to be going in the down direction. So this is going to be index. This is your B, your magnetic field. This last one's going to be tricky. You're going to probably have to move your paper around. I already wrote down the answer. Point your middle finger upwards to the top of the page. Index finger out of the page, pointing out of the page. So your thumb should be pointing to the